So this is a 1989 xt350, and I'm just going to go over some just tricks and tips on how to start it. I was asked by Matt D. Rat. So here it is. All right, so this is just a cold start. As you can see, engine's cool, and every bike's different. Some of them just start right off the bat. This one lately has been like just extremely easy to start. So I'll just show you. We'll see. I actually haven't ridden it in about a week or so. So turn it on, run, turn my gas on, and I won't mess with the choke right now because it's been starting up super easy. So we'll give it a shot. Yeah, so for some reason, this bike starting no problems. Like I said, I haven't ridden this in about a week, and it was a completely cold start, no choke. Okay, so one trick, make sure it's on. So yeah, one trick when using the Kickstarter, you can kind of feel like sometimes it'll go all the way through, then you feel like tension on it. That's when you want to go back up top. Yeah, so I'll just show you with my hand. But yeah, you go all the way through. See, that one already has tension. Then I'd go back up top, boom, kick it all the way through. Another thing you want to focus on is the choke. That's this down here on the carb. So right now it's off. If we wanted to turn it on, if the bike's been sitting for a while or the gas was turned off for a while, pull the choke all the way out, start it like that. You don't want to like start it a million times with the choke out because then you might flood it. But yeah, it does help start. But yeah, another thing that I would look into if you're having some serious trouble starting is your spark plug. It's probably either dirty or just maybe it's the wrong one. But yeah, you want to focus on that. Spark plug wire, make sure that's good to go and not all corroded and nasty. So that'll definitely help you start it easier. So yeah, hope this video was a little helpful. It wasn't much, but yeah, some bikes are just a lot harder to start than others, but hopefully this will help you start your xt350. And thank you for the encouragement to make the video, Matt Durat. Thanks for watching.